Hi everyone, my name is Anna and I'm one of the Parks Canada Youth Ambassadors this year. One of the best ways to celebrate Canada's rich and diverse cultural history is through food. Did you know that there are a variety of Parks Canada gourmet heritage recipes on our website that you can try at home? Today, I'm going to be making Frosty-Morning Pancakes, a recipe that is important to our national history, but I'm putting my own spin on it. So let's get started. Frosty-Morning Pancakes used to be made at Fort Walsh in Saskatchewan in the late 1800s and were usually topped with local jam and syrup. Today, I'm going to be topping mine with honey and poppy seeds, traditional ingredients used in my Ukrainian kitchen when baking and cooking. My Ukrainian culture is extremely important to my identity, and I try to incorporate it into as many aspects of my life as I can, especially cooking. So from my kitchen to yours, thank you for joining me in making Frosty-Morning Pancakes. I hope you try out the recipe and put your own spin on it too. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see, and don't forget, we are all in this together.